Thanks so much for visiting us at MoveYourChi.com's channel. It's great to have you. And this is our 18th YouTube video, and it's been a while since, it's been at least a year since I made my last video, and that's because I gave birth last year on July 8th, and today is June 8, 2011. My daughter is today 11 months old, and I have a little bit of a quiet time here, so I figured I'd make my 18th YouTube video, and this is regarding a cyst, an external cyst, and I want to discuss a current case that's going on where we're having tremendous results. And I will also read a testimonial that you can find on my website at moveyourchi.com, and that's also regarding a cyst. The one that's going on right now, this is a teenager, a female, and she had a cyst. She has had a cyst for 4 months, about 4 months on her right wrist, and just about right in this area. And her physician told her that the only way to get rid of it is by surgery. And given the complications with the mother, she doesn't want anything to do with surgery on her 13-year-old daughter, and I don't think anyone can blame her. She just doesn't want any invasive medicine going on with a cyst that's about the size, it was the size of a large marble. And so we decided to do acupuncture, or they decided to do acupuncture with me because they had heard of other patients who I had helped successfully reduce the size of the cyst to practically nothing. And they were willing to take the chance and drive a very long way from Corona to beautiful Laguna Hills, and I'm very grateful for that. So I will tell you what the results are. First date she came in was May 2nd. She presented with the cyst. She said it was very painful, and she was obviously embarrassed by it. As a young teenage girl, not happy with the size of a big marble on her wrist. She came in again 9 days later on May 11, and the cyst had gone down. Well, first of all, the pain had gone down by about 50%, and she was happy about that. The tenderness was, since May 2nd, had been down significantly. May 18, she came in for her third treatment, and by this time, the pain and the tenderness had gone down by 100%, and she was so pleased. The patient was so pleased, and she felt like the size was starting to go down. The fourth treatment, she felt like the pain, the tenderness had been down from May 18 until May 25. The size had already started to shrunk by 30%, and she was so happy about that. I went away on vacation to Yosemite. It was very beautiful, so I didn't see her for a couple of weeks from May 25 until June 8, and she was so happy because the size of the cyst had gone down by 80%, and there was still no more pain and tenderness. So this is still work in progress, but from the last 4 treatments, they paid a total of $245, and she's 80% improved in the size of the cyst, 100% improved in the pain and the tenderness, and this young lady could not be happier. And so the same thing is to be said about her mom regarding the treatments. They feel like this has been well worth the drive and well worth the investment, and I'm very pleased about that. And so hopefully in the next few weeks to the few months, you will see a testimonial online, or at least a case study stating that we are at 100% improvement with this young lady, and it will stay that way long term. So that is the case of my 13-year-old patient. Now I'm going to read a testimonial that you can find on my website at moveyourqi.com. Go under testimonials, and you can go under cyst. Hi Anna, I just want to thank you for everything you have done for me. My knee is almost back to normal. My cyst is almost gone. It used to be the size of a golf ball, and now it's almost flat. You can't even notice it anymore, and the pain is even gone when I press on it. This is part of a testimonial. The full testimonial is on my website. In this particular case, this woman this woman worked as the scheduler for a surgeon, and her boss, the surgeon, informed this patient that the only way to get rid of the cyst was through surgery. And she didn't want to do that. She didn't want to have to prepare for the surgery, and she didn't want to receive the surgery, and she didn't want to have to go through the recuperation time from having had the surgery. But at the same time, she was very embarrassed because of this golf ball sized cyst on her knee that prevented her from feeling confident enough to wear shorts or skirts. And not to mention that she didn't feel comfortable. It was very painful when she would kneel. So I believe I treated her, I think 6 or 7 times. She paid roughly between $300 to $400, and she received short-term as well as long-term success. And also, she felt she had a cyst here next to her ear, and that had gone down tremendously. So those are my 2 cases regarding cysts. Pretty cut and dry, pretty simple to treat. There have been other cases that I've treated very successfully, internal cysts as well as external cysts. There are cases where there was a woman who had cysts all over her spleen. The physician said, you can get rid of it through surgery, but then it's just going to come back. Well, I treated this woman for digestive issues, and when she went in for another checkup, the tests had shown, the examinations had shown that the cysts were gone. So they were amazed. She was amazed, and not to mention her digestive issues were completely gone. And another time I will discuss why the cysts on her spleen correlates with digestive issues. And that is a testimonial on my website. You can go to digestive issues under testimonials on my website. So anyways, that's a short and sweet YouTube video. I hope this gives you some information. Feel free to contact me at 949-305-1703, or you can email me at anna@moveyourqi.com. There's a lot of information on my website, my blog at blog.moveyourqi.com, and I'm also on Facebook, and you can also find me on Yelp. So hopefully one of those avenues can be of interest to you, and you can learn more about my work. Thank you so much, and I look forward to meeting you very soon. Take care.